It's the Boat Geeks with Darren and Darren.
We're the Boat Geeks, whatever floats your boat. We're the Boat.
Hey, Darren here with the Boat Geeks. Welcome aboard. This is the forward cabin on Traveler, which has been our daughter's room for 12 years. You can definitely tell this is Axel's cabin. Lots of personality. There's books, there's dragons, there's cats, there's books on dragons and cats. But ever since she was 2.5, she has slept on a 4-inch foam cushion. We added a mattress topper about 8 years ago, and then a few years ago we even added a wool blanket. Now it's a high density foam cushion used for boat beds and RV beds, but it's still just a plain foam cushion. So, because she's now 14, her parents have finally decided to upgrade her sleeping comfort by getting a new bed, a custom bed, from the Slumber Ease Mattress Factory in Marysville. We'll be getting brand new, custom-fitted V-Berth mattresses for both port and starboard. And when I say custom-fitted, it's actually two things. One, it will be made to fit perfectly the unique configuration and the angles of the V-Berth. And two, and this is what really sold us on Slumber Ease, every mattress is custom fitted to you, your body, and your sleeping habits. It's definitely not a one-size-fits-all approach. So the next step and the next video is we're going to take the ferry over to Marysville, where Nick at Slumber Ease is going to fit Axel to the perfect mattress.
We're the